So this is the thanktank Backstory 13 camera backpack. Fits a 13.5-inch laptop. Also has camera divider storage. So let's have a look around the bag so you can see if it's going to work for you. Right here up in the front, you've got the zippered pocket, which is going to be right where your laptop will go. You also have a whole bunch of organization pockets in here, and this pocket goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag itself. Zippers are real easy. In the front here, you've got a pocket that's nice and cozy, so it'd be great for a phone or other sort of gentle storage kind of items. This extra utility strap, you can hook on all kinds of extra gear. And then this really nice deep pockets, you could definitely fit a small tripod in there. You've got really thick carrying straps up here. Very comfortable shoulder straps with a sternum strap connection. And around the back is where you're going to get into your camera gear. There is a pass-through here for our carry-on bag. And this is how it'll open up. And inside, you've got more mesh zippered pockets, as well as all of your dividers, and they even include a waterproof cover for the bag itself. But all in all, I really like this gray color, but it does come, I think, in a darker color and a lighter color as well. So be sure to get the one that's right for you.